Hi, welcome to InfoComm 2026. I'm John Kipp, the Director of Strategic Growth for D2D Technologies. Today, we're going to talk about a lot of things. Actually, if you come by the booth, I'll tell you about everything we have. But for now, we're going to talk about the Flex 4000. This is a very small in size, but large-scale distribution server. This can serve up to 1.5 gig worth of streams. So to put that in perspective, most streams we're talking about videos are about 5 megabits piece. This will do 300 of them. Each one of them can have its own location and its own list, its own schedule, and it can actually even do transcodes, on-screen bugs, and cross. What we use it for is to serve our little endpoints, our Flex 1000, you may have heard of it, and they work in concert together to bring you a controlled experience for your patrons, whatever that may be or whoever they be. Whether they're at sea or in an arena or at a bank or a hospital or a school, we got you covered. D2DTechnologies.com. I'm John, thank you.